Hey guys! This video will show you how to submit and check your eClaim. Log in to your eLeave eClaim app. Click on Employee View. Then swap to a claim. Click on Submit a Claim. Select the claim type. Fill in the amount. Take a photo to upload a receipt. And click Submit. Claim information for pending claims. Approved claims and rejected claims will be displayed. You can click in to check or edit the pending claim. You can also see all of the claims that have been approved or rejected in detail. Click on Expenses to see a dashboard of claims by categories and amounts for both monthly and yearly periods. You can also click on any of the claim types to check the details of the claim. A summary of your claim application with an amount can also be viewed at a glance. You can also check the updated claim information from your app after your manager approves or rejects the claim. That's all of this video. Thank you.